Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today, we'll be taking a look at how to play the classic Beatles song, Yellow Submarine, and how to play it on a diatonic harmonica. Now in this tutorial, we'll be using bends. Now don't worry if you don't know how to use bends. I've included some links in the description below to some awesome bending tutorials. Here's what Yellow Submarine looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And here is how it sounds. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 6. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 5, and blow into 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 5 twice. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 4. Breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce A twice. Blow into 5 twice. And breathe in through 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. And phrase 4 is exactly the same as phrase 2. So let's move on to phrase 5. Blow into 6 4 times. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 5. And breathe in through 4 4 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, breathe in through 4 6 times. And blow into 4 5 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 7 is exactly the same as phrase 5. And phrase 8 is exactly the same as phrase 6. So let's try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, you can check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. Also, if you'd like to show your support for this channel, then please follow the link below and buy me a coffee. And until next time, stay tuned.